Hey guys, what's going on? It's Austin James back here at Austin's Autobahn, your brand new favorite YouTube channel. Probably not, there's better channels out there. But today we are doing some driving. It's a Monday, but we've had a couple days in a row of nice weather. It's not super sunny today, but it's nice enough for a drive. 13 degrees Celsius, which is pretty awesome for April. We have some fancy headgear going on here. I bought a new Apex action cam off of Amazon and was testing it out. Did some bike riding yesterday with it. Did pretty well. The stabilization's a little wonky here and there, but for a third or even less of fraction of a GoPro, it's cheaper than a GoPro is what I'm saying. By a lot. It does pretty well. So today, I don't really know, this was kind of impromptu video. We're gonna do some POV driving shots here, give you guys a taste of what it feels like to drive a BMW, because that's what, everyone really is reaching for in this world, and if you're not, you're doing something wrong. I'm just kidding. I have to get the ironic BMW douchebaggery in at least, one clip per video. So here we are. Like I said, pretty impromptu. Hopefully make the editing a little easier. Get some content out there for you guys and see what we see. We've already seen a couple nice cars. There's another nice Challenger coming in there. Is that? No, that's a Camaro. Sorry. Yeah, we saw some crazy apocalypse mobile back there.
It's really been a minute since we kicked it on Montclair Avenue.
But yeah, we're gonna go for a drive. See how she goes.
Feels so good, can't nobody remind me that it was a good day. I must do it, just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad it's Sunday around. Yeah, it was a good day. I must do it, just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad it's Sunday around. No more sleep, no more. The feel these you and views all after them. Look at all the time, you don't have to do. Everything we're giving is enough. Moments sit together like a glove. Oh my God, these everybody's. It was a good day. I must do it, just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. I must do it, just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. so they can see me from above. I keep my sunny side up. No more running from the love, no more, no more. I keep my sunny side up. So they can see me from above. I keep my sunny side up. No more running from the love. Yeah, hey, pour me up some OJ. I feel freshly, sizzle up some pico. And some bacon, make sure that it's on low. Let the top breathe, let the top breathe. Gotta let the top breathe. I get my egg on it. Me and you can make a best on it. Yeah, never see this always our time. Yeah, you be so good, I'm laughing. I keep my sunny side up. So they can see me from above. I keep my sunny side up. No more running from the love, no more, no more. I keep my sunny side up. So they can see from above. I keep my sunny side up. No more running from the love. They go sweet like sugar, smooth like cream. Chillin' at the scene, resting on my caffeine. Cozy as a fool, had to get you in the loop. And in the kitchen, all I really wanna do is cracking up egg on it. Me and you can make the best on it. Never see this always right on it. You can sound like good vibes, and I keep my sunny side up. So they can see me from above. I keep my sunny side up. No more running from the love, no more, no more. I keep my sunny side up. So they can see from above. I keep my sunny side up. No more running from the love. Me in the morning with a smile on my face. Cause even though it hurts, I'm always falling into place. And my people say that probably cause I never stop my faith. Even though the road got rough, they never found me switching lanes. Energy, energy, got good energy. Let it be, let it be. What's in front of me, all I need, all I need. This is all I need. Melodies, memories, that's the remedy. 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 This is what it feels. What's the matter with the crowd? I'm seeing, don't you know?